Hi, so I got my Zenni Optical glasses today. I want to show you the quality of them. So these did take 2 weeks to come. And what Zenni is you upload your face to their website and you start trying on glasses. They will superimpose the glasses to your face. And what you typically have to do is you have to measure the distance of your pupils. And usually that's really all it takes. Now my prescription is minus 2.5, so just keep that in mind when you're looking at the lenses. And this is the packaging. It does always come with a hard case, and it's a nice little carrying case. There's suede here inside, so you could put the glasses side on this. Now just to go into the glasses, I bought 2 pairs of glasses because they're pretty cheap. So each one of these glasses was no more than $30, $25, and the lenses, with the lenses, both of these were a total of $70, even with a coupon that you could find anywhere on the internet, for example. Now it does come with a nice cloth to wipe your glasses. Now I like these sort of half rims, so let me go ahead and actually open up the other one also, so you could take a look. And once again, they're suede in the hard case. So the hard case is actually very nice, and it's better than spending $230. So for whatever reason, it gave me this sunglasses for free. Now I did in the past get the lenses that actually change colors, but I find that's not good for taking pictures. So for example, when I'm outside and my glasses turn dark because they have the automatic tint in them that is activated by the sunlight, when I'm taking pictures, it actually turns dark and it looks bad on the pictures. So I started just getting the plain glasses, and they always have, you have a bunch of choices. So the choices are also, whether you want to tint them, whether you have the anti-glare, and what type of degree you have the anti-glare. They even have the blue blocker. Now I didn't get the blue blocker because I read that the blue light is not mainly the issue, but it's actually more so us staring at computer screens all day that's really damaging to the eyes. Now let me go ahead and give you sort of a up close look here. So if I could actually get focus, which is kind of hard because it's very hard to focus on a frame and on a lens, but it is super high quality. Now the only thing is that with the nose, you will have to adjust this yourself, or you could go to your local eyeglass store, and lots of times they'll adjust it for free, especially the mom and pop ones. But of course that's always kind of weird, so just get something on eBay like tweezers or whatever that will actually adjust it. It's actually not that hard once you get used to it. So this is actually my third time ordering from Zenni. And let me show you the other pair. So both of these glasses cost only 70 bucks. So just to show you the quality. Now it is very high quality. As I mentioned, I've been wearing Zenni glasses for basically 3 years now, and because they're so cheap, you could change your style fairly frequently. And you don't have to be afraid when you lose or you break your glasses that you broke glasses that were $300 or $200. So these are I hate to say it, but they're not cheap. They're just inexpensive. The quality of them is the same quality as you would get in your local eyeglass store. So but that's really all I wanted to show you and mention, and I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.